Bonjour, my friends. I'm Frankie, and welcome to Club Foodie Tips and Tricks. Depending on the recipe, I like putting rubs on my proteins before grilling them on the barbecue. It gives another layer of flavor. I have a couple rubs that I already shared with you, and here's another one, which is my Kansas City dry rub. So let's get cooking. In a small bowl, we'll combine brown sugar, mild paprika, as well as smoked paprika, some chili powder, followed by onion powder, garlic powder, and then ground sea salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a little bit of cayenne pepper. We'll whisk until the ingredients are nicely blended before transferring it to an airtight container. It makes about 1 cup. As you saw in this video, it's super quick and easy to make, and this rub will certainly enhance your proteins. I hope you enjoyed tips and tricks of the day, and for many more, including recipes, visit clubfoodie.com. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!